Hello guys, it's Indoor Date Nights here. How do you use your balloon decorating strip? Step 1. Cut the strip to the desired length of your balloon arch. Simply measure the space where you want to hang it. Allow for some extra curves rather than measuring just a straight line. Step 2. You want to make sure you have your balloons, glue dots and your arch strip on hand. Let's begin to unpackage your balloons. Separate them like so. We will be using mostly double stuffed balloons, which is one balloon put into another balloon. This is to give you a custom color. Next, we have the metallic gold, and lastly, we have the confetti balloon. A top tip here is to remember not to overinflate your balloons, as they may pop during or after inflating. Remember, you want the balloons to be about 3/4 full, to give you some extra pull to help you tie the end. Okay, let's start to inflate our balloons.
Pump it up!
Now, let's move on to the fun part of this balloon decorating strip tutorial. Don't be afraid to have a dance and get into it. Oh yeah! Remember to leave about 6 holes at the start and end of your decoration strip empty. This will later come in handy when you need to hang your arch. Step 4. Take your first inflated balloon. Pull the knot through the larger hole and slide it into the smaller hole to lock it firmly in place. Take the next balloon and pull it through the next hole. Alternate between different sizes of balloons to get a staggered effect. The holes are large enough to let you pull the knot through, but small enough to keep the balloons in place. Also alternate between the sides of the strip to make the balloon arch look fuller. Sometimes you may need to skip a hole, especially when you are placing your larger balloons. Best way to hang your balloon arch from a wall or ceiling is to use any kind of structure or fixture that's already in place. Second best way is to use removable command hooks. Loop a piece of gold ribbon through one of the holes at the start and end of your decoration strip. Tie it off and attach to a fixture. Alternatively, you can tape the empty length of the decoration strip directly to the wall using a masking tape or a painter's tape. Step 5. Time to put your piece of balloon art into place. Step 6. Take a step back and admire your creation. If you still have balloons laying around, you can use these to fill in any gaps or empty spaces. You can now use your glue dots to attach any small balloons to the large ones. As you can see here, I've gone with red and a gold tail, but the choice is completely yours. It's really based off your own preference. And that is the magic of the video. Remember, you can add however many balloons you want to your strip.